and welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Jamie and today I'm going to give you a full walk around video on this 2015 Nissan QASHQAI Ti. Starting off at the front of the vehicle, we'll run you through the condition and also some of the features on the car as well. Starting off the front, as you can see down below, you do have fog lights fitted on either side. You also have 6 color-coded front parking sensors. Good job by Nissan actually adding 6. So as you can see, you do get the extra one on the side of the vehicle, as most cars only come with 4. You can also see that you get the honeycomb style grille that's in the piano black finish, and you get the nice chrome garnishes around it as well, right with your chrome iconic Nissan badging. You get really nice headlights with the projector bulb, and you also have the daytime running lights in the actual headlight themselves. Now the car for 2015 does present really well. There are a couple minor stone chips here and there, but we've gone through the efforts to make sure the car is right for you, so they have been touched up. We'll come around and look at our first alloy wheel. Does look like there are brand new tyres fitted on the front of the vehicle as well. As you can see, the wheels are in good condition. There are minor marks here and there, but nothing inconsistent for a 2015 vehicle. Keep working our way down. You will notice we do have color-coded exterior mirrors and door handles. Now the mirrors themselves actually have the indicator integrated into the actual mirror itself, and you can also see there is a camera underneath the mirror, which I'll run you through a bit later. Door handles themselves do actually have the keyless entry, so clicking the button will actually lock the car, and then clicking it again will actually unlock the car. Taking a look inside the vehicle itself, as you can see, leather seats are in really good condition, no major wear on the seat itself. Carpet down below is in really good condition as well, and as you can see, you actually have the QASHQAI scuff plate as well, so really good and minimise the scratching getting in and out of the car. As you can see, real minimal wear on the actual driver's door, where usually you get the most wear because that's where you get in and out of the car the most. Working our way down the side of the vehicle again, as you can see, the paint is in really good condition. No marks whatsoever on the paint that I've had to point out. Coming to that second alloy wheel again, we have a brand new tyre, so it must be 4 brand new tyres around the vehicle. As you can see, really good condition on the wheel again, with just a couple minor marks. Being a 2015 vehicle again, nothing inconsistent. Your fuel filler cap is on the driver's side, so if you do ever need to fill up, at least you know which side of the vehicle it is on. Coming to the back of the vehicle now, you will notice the tow pack has been fitted. Again, you have rear color-coded reverse parking sensors. There are only 4 in the back. You can also see that you have your QASHQAI chrome badging, Nissan badging, and the CVT badging as well, all finished in the chrome. You do get a high mount stoplight. You also get the windscreen wiper, the rear windscreen wiper as well. Taking a look inside the boot now, first thing you notice, you do have the QASHQAI scuff plate, so obviously minimal wear on the paintwork itself. If you scratch this, not such a big deal as if you will scratch the paint. You can also see that you do have the cargo liner, and you also have all your genuine floor mats as well, which are in really good condition too. Take a look under here, as you can see, there is a bit of a storage compartment, and then you got another compartment under it again. And that's where you got your, looks like a space saver spare wheel, or it looks like just a steel wheel, but similar size to actually the wheel itself. And you got the tow bar in there as well, or I should say the tow bar tongue. We'll close that up and we'll keep working our way down the passenger side of the vehicle. And as you can see, the consistency of the condition as well, again, coming to that third alloy wheel, as I mentioned before, brand new tyres all round. Another good wheel with a couple minor marks again. As you can also see, car has also been fitted with the genuine Nissan roof racks. So if you did need to actually put anything on the roof of the vehicle, you know you can do that, especially with those genuine roof racks. Paintwork on the passenger side is all in really good condition. As you can see with the paintwork, there's nothing I've had to point out yet. Fantastic condition by the previous owner. Then getting to the fourth and final wheel now. Now this actually looks like it is the best condition wheel out of them all. I would assume that when they put the tyres on, they change the wheels around a bit, because usually that's the wheel that you get the most wear and tear on. As you can see guys, with the exterior condition, the previous owner has done a fantastic job of maintaining the paintwork of the car and just all the overall condition as well. Alright guys, taking a look underneath the bonnet now. So what we have here is a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This engine produces 106 kilowatts and also 200 newton-meters of torque. You do have a 1-speed CVT transmission in this vehicle, a 65-litre tank that you can run on 91 octane or above. Now the good thing about this engine is the fuel consumption, 6.9 litres to the 100k, so out of that 65-litre tank, you're going to get an average of around 942 kilometres. It's better, I disappeared for a second. Taking a look on the driver's side door is where you have all your power window controls. You also have an automatic window for the driver's side, and that's up and down. You also have all your central locking and also the lock for the power windows as well. All your mirror controls are just above. Now you can actually fold in the mirrors in, so if you are parking on the side of the road and you don't want to get your mirrors taken off, you can fold them in as I just demonstrated there. Now behind the steering wheel itself is where you have a couple buttons: your traction control button to turn off your front and rear parking sensors, the eco button to get as much fuel economy as you can, and also your lane departure warning as well. You do have your brightness adjuster and your trip adjuster just here for the main screen in the center cluster. On your right hand stalk is where you have your indicators, your headlights and your fog lights, and the headlights are automatic, which you can see right there. On the left hand side is where you have your front and rear windscreen wipers, and they're also automatic as well. Now on the steering wheel itself, as you can see, it is a nice leather wrap steering wheel, which on the right hand side is where you have your cruise control settings and your Bluetooth control settings down the bottom, and then all your media controls with the volume controls down the bottom. Now it is a proximity key, so you do have the push button start, so as long as your foot's in, as long as the key's in the car, foot's on the brake, you will be able to press the button and it will start the car. Moving into the main entertainment system now, as you can see, it is a nice touchscreen display. It does have AM, FM radio, USB, Bluetooth and AUX. Also has satellite navigation as well, and a really nice 360-degree, as you can see, reverse camera and the bird's eye view as well. Moving down below is where you have your climate control settings. Now it is dual zone climate control, so you can have two different temperatures for the driver and the passenger. Very good for husband and wife, as they usually never agree. Do have a 12-volt socket down here with a little bit of storage. It is an electronic handbrake, so pushing it down will turn it off and the light will turn off, and doing the opposite will turn it back on, which you can see the light turns back on as well. As I mentioned before, your automatic gearbox, so it is the CVT, but you can put it in across to what they call the sport shift, and then you can actually shift through the gears manually. There are two cup holders and also two keys with this vehicle. You do have heated seats for the driver and the passenger, so obviously really good for the winter, and there's a high and low setting with that as well. Inside the actual armrest itself, there are two different compartments, which you can see there, and in the actual main center console there is a sort of cup holder thing down the bottom. You get another 12-volt socket, and as mentioned before, your USB and AUX. Now if we pan up to the roof real quickly, I will show you what it looks like. I'll show you the massive panoramic roof that the car has. Now it doesn't actually open, it is actually just the glass roof, but the good thing is, which as you can see now, I'm actually being blinded by the sun, but I can actually just close that blind, and then that way I'm not actually blinded by the sun and getting sunburn as well, which is a good feature to have. So as you can see guys, now we'll just pan around the interior to show you the condition of the vehicle. This car with 35 kilometers on the odometer, the way the car does present inside the vehicle is in really good condition. No major marks or anything that I've had to point out inside the car, and as you saw from the outside, it's pretty much just the same. What we'll do now guys is we'll jump outside the car and we'll wrap up the video. Hopefully that's given you a really good representation of not only the condition but also some of the features on this vehicle as well. Now this car will qualify for our premium mechanical protection plan that is going to give you an additional 5 years, up to 200,000 kilometers of mechanical and electric protection. It's also going to give you 10 years of premium roadside assist and also unlimited claims up to $3,600 per claim. The other thing this car will also qualify for is our glass coat that we offer here. So that is actually going to give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork of the car, and also give you unlimited claims on the actual product itself as well. Now these are an additional cost, but if you are using our in-house finance, Julie and Mario, our business managers, would be more than welcome to tailor a package towards your needs and show you how minimal it actually affects the payments once you add these added features in. Also, take a look at our Google reviews while you're there. 4.8 star rating on Google with over 1,000 reviews from Australia-wide customers. So hopefully that can give you the peace of mind that not only you're buying a fantastic car, but you're dealing with the right dealership and the right quality of people to deal with as well. Number to call if you'd like to book a test drive is 99070555. My name is Jamie, and thank you so much for watching.